Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of motion detection not sending notifications on your XIAOMI smart camera C201. So if you aren't really receiving notifications on your phone from motion detection of your camera, there are a few things that you can do to try and fix that. And the first one will be to enable the notifications in the settings of your phone, or just make sure that you have enabled them. So to do that, we're gonna close down our app, then open up the settings. So now we're in the settings app. This works for either Android or iPhone. It's pretty similar procedure. Then we're going to search up our XIAOMI Home app. So I'm going to tap on search and type in XIAOMI Home. There we go, it pops up for me right here. So now we're in here, and what we're going to do is allow notification permissions. So there we go, we have the notifications section. We're going to tap on that. And we're going to tap on allow notifications. So the notifications is allowed. We can also enable critical alerts, which will deliver even if you're in like do not disturb mode. And make sure to enable these options right here. Just play around with the options, make sure that everything's turned on so you can actually receive the notifications. So now if we come back to the app and we tap on our screen, and we can go into surveillance. So if we tap on three dots on the top right and then tap on home surveillance settings, we have a few options that we need to enable. So make sure you have enabled home surveillance and make sure you have enabled detection push notifications. So here we have these options enabled. Make sure that you've also enabled them. Then we're going to go into event notification type and make sure that you have enabled at least push when movement detected and motion detected. So these two options are going to detect motion and send you a notification when that happens. You can also enable these other options if you need them, but we're mainly focused on the movement options. So now if we return, we have also event notification type, which is a push when movement detected and motion detected are on, which is pretty much the same thing. When this event happens, you will receive a notification. And then we also have don't notify about complete recordings. I turned that off just in case, even if a recording's incomplete, it's still going to notify me about whatever's happened. And now if we return, test the camera, make sure that it actually works. And I hope everything that was provided in this video helps you fix your issues. So thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope this video helped you.